Hi, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the physics class. I hope everyone is fine. सबको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Am I audible? Okay. Before getting into today's class, let me start with my usual stuff. Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. Astic ID is not available. It's because not the co-host. Is there someone in the office listening to me? Please make the Astic ID co-host so that I can see the chat on that. I've sent you messages. Raghu sir, Kundan sir, whosoever is there, please मेरे आईडी को आस्तिक वाले आईडी को co-host बना दें आप. आस्तिक वाले आईडी को co-host बना दीजिए. तो मैं I would be able to see the chats on that ID. I think someone will make it. Let's see. Anyways, I think nobody is here. Probably office में कोई है नहीं अभी शायद. I don't know. Anyways, keep your mobile phones का camera off so that there is not a problem for streaming. अपना mobile phone का camera off रखना. Keep your microphone on mute, and I hope you will be able to follow. If you can't send message on that ID, you can send it on this one. I will try to see it from here today. Let's see. Okay. In yesterday's class, we had discussed some questions. कुछ questions किए थे. We had discussed the addition of vectors. Now is the time that we look back. थोड़ा पीछे जाके, एक step पीछे जाके. We have to look at two important concepts. Two important concepts we have to look at. Unit vectors. I think we had discussed unit vectors in the previous class. Yes or no? But there was something that we did not do because we did not know to find out something else. So हम आज unit vectors पे we'll go back again and see what are unit vectors. Can anyone recollect what are unit vectors? Anyone in the office, please make this ID co-host, please. And please someone be there so that there are students waiting in the waiting room. I can't interrupt the class and make them enter into the room. तो आप में से कोई प्लीज एंटर करे उनको और मुझे को-होस्ट बना दिया जाए. Okay. So what I was saying, what was unit vectors, beta? Anyone had any idea? Magnitude is one and unique direction. Yes, Prashita. Unit vectors are vectors with magnitude 1 unit. It could be 1 Newton, 1 meter per second, anything. And it has a unique direction. Do we remember how we used to denote unit vectors? If I had an unit vector OA, we denoted it by hat, I hat cap. Yes, Sushita, I hat, I cap. OA hat is a unit vector in the direction of OA. Now, if you can remember, or if you can tell me, how will I get the value of OA hat? How will I get the value of OA hat or OA unit vector? Anyone recollects it? Can anyone tell me how do I get OA hat or OA unit vector? Sushita, Niharika, anyone? How do I get the value of OA hat or how do I get a unit vector in the direction of OA? Okay, if you don't remember, this is the way. I divide the vector OA. I divide the vector OA by the magnitude of the vector OA. Do we recollect this? Yes, Santosh. Santosh has given me an answer. To get the unit vector along OA, which is OA hat, what do I do is I divide the vector OA by the magnitude of the vector OA. Now in the previous classes, we only discussed this much and then we moved aage. Why did we move aage? Because we did not know how to do this. But now we know how to get the unit vector. So I'll get you a question and I'll ask you to find me the unit vector. Are we ready? Everyone is awake? in this universe? Can I have some raised hand so that I understand that we are there and listening to my sad and bad voice? Only 9 people are there awake. 10, 12, 15. Yes, sir. No, sir. Send me some messages. Okay. So the question is here, and I'll write the question. Question number 1. Find a unit vector. Find a unit vector in the direction of. Find a unit vector in the direction of A vector, and A vector is 3i minus 4j. You have to find a unit vector in the direction of A vector, and my A vector is 3i minus 4j. Your time starts now. Get a vector in the direction of A vector. A vector is given to you. What will that vector be known as? How will we call that vector? Unit vector in the direction of A vector. What would you call it? क्या बोलेंगे उसे? What will we call? What will we say that vector as? What will be the name of that vector? It will be known as A hat. Am I clear? Am I clear? It will be known as A hat. Am I clear? Yes, sir. Only Tushita says yes, sir. What about the rest? It will be known as A hat. Only 4 people say yes. Shameful. Only 3. A unit vector in the direction of A vector will be known as A hat. And how will I get the value of A hat? How will I get the value of A hat? It's very simple. I have vector A and I will divide it by the magnitude of A. I have A vector and I will divide it by the magnitude of A vector. Now, how much is A vector? A vector is already given. It is 3i minus 4j. Am I clear? This is my A vector. Yes, Chaturya has come up with an answer. Great, Chaturya. That is the correct answer. 3i minus 4j is my A vector. I divide it by its magnitude. What is the magnitude of A vector? It will be under root of, yes, Santosh, under root of 3 square plus 4 square. We have already seen how to find the magnitude of a vector. 3 square plus 4 square, that will be 5. So my unit vector will be 3i minus 4j divided by 5. And this would be known as A hat. A unit vector in the direction of vector A, which is A hat. Am I clear with how I have done this? How did I find the value of A hat, which is a unit vector in the direction of A? Can I have some raised hand of how many people have understood this? Vijay says yes, Santosh says yes. And after that, I have around 10, 12 participants, still less. Anyone has any doubts, please raise it. How did I do it? I had to find a vector in the direction of A vector, unit vector. So I divided the vector A by the magnitude of the vector A. Vector A was 3i minus 4j. Magnitude of vector A was under root of 3 square plus 4 square. So I get my answer as 3i minus 4j divided by 5. Shall I give you another question? Will you be able to solve it, all of you? Question number 2. Find A hat. I hope you understand the meaning of A hat. If vector A is 12i minus 5j. I hope you understand the meaning of symbols. Symbols are very important in physics and maths. What does A hat mean? What does A hat mean? It means unit vector in the direction of A vector. And your A vector is given to you. Your time starts now. Santosh has already come up with an answer. Yes, Santosh, the answer is 12y minus 15j. Yes, Chaturya. Yes, Karthik, by 13. That is exactly correct. I hope all of you are able to do this. I've got some 6 or 7 answers in a flash. That's great. I hope all of us will understand this. First, I will write a hat, which is the vector in the direction of A. That will be equal to vector A divided by the magnitude of the vector A. It's very simple. Just add. Kushita, it cannot be 12y minus 6j, beta. It is 5j, it is not 6j. So it will be vector A. Vector A is 12y minus 5j divided by the magnitude of this vector. The magnitude of this vector is under root of 12 square plus 5 square. I told you about Pythagorean triplets. 12, 5 and 3, 13 are Pythagorean triplets. Did I tell you about Pythagorean triplets? Yes or no? 3 numbers. Square of the addition of 2 numbers is equal to square of the third number. 13 square is 13. So this becomes my A hat. Am I clear? Can I have some raised hands? So that I have faith that all of us have understood. All of us have understood. Great. Great. Good. One more last question. If you can do this one, whenever I say last question, if you do that last question, that means you can do all the questions before that. The last question is a real test. If you can do this one, you can do the entire one. Question starts here. If A vector is 2i minus 5j, B vector is I plus 9j, I plus 9j. Find a unit vector. Find a unit vector in the direction of, find a unit vector in the direction of A vector plus B vector. I hope the question is clear. You are given 2 vectors, A vector and B vector with some values. You are supposed to find out a unit vector in the direction of not A, not B, but A plus B. So this will include everything that we have done till now. A vector, B vector, sum of those 2 vectors, and I want a unit vector. Anyone with an answer? Santosh is 3i plus 4j divided by root over 45. No, beta. 3i plus 4j divided by 5. Yes, Manaswit. Vijay, you have done it wrongly. I'm sorry to say. I have 3 or 4 messages, 3 or 4 answers. That's good going. Some of these answers are correct as well. Again, there is a problem with me because I can't see it on this one. I'm still not being made hosts of the other ID, so I can't see your messages there. 3i plus 4j by 5, Niharika and Vijay. It is the correct answer. Congratulations to all of you who have got the correct answer. To those who are still trying, I'll give you a 5-10 seconds more. What you got to do, I'll give you a hint. What is the hint? Hint is first find A plus B. First find A vector plus B vector. Just add A vector with B vector. Oops, is something wrong? I'm disconnected or what? Am I audible? Okay, first find A vector plus B vector. 2i plus I becomes 3i. Am I audible and visible to everyone? I thought that there was some problem somewhere. 3i plus I, 2i plus I is 3i, minus 5j plus 9j is 4j. So A vector plus B vector becomes 3i plus 4j. Now I have to find a vector, a unit vector in the direction of this vector. So a unit vector in the direction of A plus B. Let me call A plus B as C vector. So C unit vector will be equal to C vector divided by magnitude of C vector. I hope everyone understands this. C vector is 3i plus 4j, 3i plus 4j divided by the magnitude of C vector, which is root over 3 squared plus 4 squared. So my answer is 3i plus 4j divided by 5. Am I absolutely clear with this concept? Chaturya, Jayashankar, I hope all of you have got your answers. Can I have some raised hands that we understand this concept? Anyone with any doubt? Hanak also says there, Deepak says there. So I've got around 6-7 yeses, around 13-14 raised hands. So that is somewhere around 20. What about the rest of them? Have we understood this? Let me call some random people who have not responded till now. Swati, what about you, Swati? So Swati has raised hand. Okay, Veronica has raised hand. What about Abhiram, Anil, Anjali, Harsha, Manasa, Saina, Charitra, Pranay, Hinduja, Kevin, Likita, Manaswet, Maruti, Sai, Sanjay, Srichand, Tanu, Vinay. Everyone has understood this. If you don't raise your hands, I will call you by name. Yes, now I have 25 raised hands. Great, good one. Okay, everyone has to be attentive, else I will call you up. I'll call your name, I'll unmute you and I'll ask you to speak. And that's a good thing if I do that. So that was all about unit vectors. I'll go ahead now with the next topic, the next small thing, and that is going to be very, very important in the coming classes, because from tomorrow or maybe on Monday, we will be starting with physics. Up till now, we were still doing maths, but we just had glimpses of physics here and there, twinkle, twinkle stars, small, small stars. But now we'll be landing on moon and we'll be actually doing physics. But before going on to doing physics, there is one particular vector, type of vector that we must all be aware of, because that is going to, our physics is going to start from there. Our physics is going to start from there. And again, what's wrong here? Okay, this, I think this Zoom is giving me a problem today. I hope that this problem does not persist. Okay, we understand what is this? Everyone understands what is this? Great. Everyone understand what it is. Now, we all understand this one as well. This is point O, this is point A. The coordinates is 3, 4. We understand this coordinates 3, 4. X coordinate is 3, Y coordinate is 4. We understand this, right? That means the X component here is 3. Please tell me if you don't understand anything. This X component is 3 and this component is 4. We also know how to write this vector. How to write this vector? Can anyone tell me what is a OA vector written as? What is OA vector written as? How is OA vector written as? Again, 3i plus 4j, Chaturya, correct. Now, let us try to understand more about this OA vector. I know that I have not told you anything about this, but can you tell me, what is this OA vector representing? Let us go back to the representation. What do we understand by this OA vector? Let us go back to the first class of vectors and again remind ourselves what is OA vector. What does OA vector tell me? Shoot your answers. What does OA vector tell me? Increasing. What is increasing, Hannah? I don't understand that. What does OA vector tell me? What is magnitude and direction? Of what? Of what? Let us go on to the most basic thing about OA vector. It is a vector drawn from, OA vector is a vector drawn from, can you fill up the blanks? It is a vector drawn from O to A. Yes, Anjali. Anjali has participated with my call. That's great, Anjali. It's a vector drawn from O to A. Great. It's a vector drawn from O to A. It has a magnitude. What is the magnitude of this vector? X and Y increase in a ratio. No, Anna, that is not correct. What is the magnitude of this vector? 5 units. Great. And I can also find the angle. This angle, I think, would be 37 degrees. No, not 37. It will be 53 degrees. Y by X, tan theta. We have done that. So it's a vector drawn from O to A. Now, if I just call this O as my origin, if I just call this O as my origin, as it is very evident that it is the origin, just 53 degree, Karthik. This vector is a vector drawn from origin to A. Am I correct? Am I correct? This vector is a vector drawn from origin to A. Yes. Now I can think about this in a different way. Please listen to me very carefully. This is a vector giving me, the position. The important word is position. This is a vector giving me the position of A, which is the point 34. Yes, Deepak. It is the vector which is giving me the position of the point A, which is 3, 4, with respect to the origin. Am I clear? Whose coordinates are 0, 0. Am I clear with what I have written in this red ink? And I am now putting it inside a block. This is giving me the position of A. Listen to my words very carefully. Eyes on the board. Position of A, which is the point 3, 4, with respect to the origin, which is the point O, 0, 0. Now I will call this vector by a fascinating name, which is going to come in the next class when we start with physics. I will call this as position. I will call this as position. What next? Position vector of A with respect to O. Am I clear with the new nomenclature? Instead of calling OA vector as a vector drawn from O to A, I will call this in a different way. I will call this the position vector of A with respect to O. Do we understand this? Can I have some raised hand? That we understand this? 5, 6, 9, only 9, 10. Understood. Santosh, 12, 15. Good. 17, great. Numbers are coming up. 19, 20, 25, great. So, OA is the position vector of A with respect to O, which is nothing but vector drawn from O to A. It's an OA vector, so it is a vector drawn from O to A. But it is the position vector of A with respect to O. Now see, there is a small problem I have, and I have a very, what should I say, very simple brain, which is very underdeveloped. I can't understand things. If the things are in one order, I understand them. If the order is reversed, my brain has a chemical locha. Now the chemical locha here in my brain is, when I am saying A with respect to O. Listen to my words very carefully. When I'm saying I am saying A with respect to O. A is first, O is बाद में. But when I'm writing it, I am writing it OA. And that creates a problem with my brain. That's not correct. I'm writing it as OA, but calling it as position vector of A with respect to O. A is coming first, O is coming बाद में. That might create a confusion. It creates a confusion in my head. It might also create a confusion in your head. So now I will write this vector in a different way. And that way will correspond to how I am speaking it. I am calling it position vector of A with respect to O. Now listen and see very carefully what I'm writing. Let me write it as R. What does this R stand for? This R stands for position. Then on the top of this R, I put a vector sign. So this vector sign corresponds to vector. So R vector means what? R vector means position vector. Am I clear? R vector means position vector. R standing for position, arrow standing for vector. So it becomes R vector, and I write it as R vector AO. A with respect to O. So now I use the new nomenclature R vector AO. Do we understand this nomenclature? R vector AO stands for what? Stands for what? Position vector. The short form of position vector is PV. Position vector PV. Position vector of A with respect to O. Am I clear how I've written and how I've spoken? Position vector of A with respect to O, which is nothing but a vector drawn from where to where? Drawn from where to where? Yes, Santosh. Position vector of A with respect to O, which is nothing but a vector drawn from where to where? Drawn from O to A. Very nice. Which is nothing but the vector OA. Am I clear with what I have said and what I wanted for you to understand? RAO is the position vector of A with respect to O, vector drawn from O to A. Tells me the position of A with respect to O. Tells us position of A with respect to O. Am I clear? Am I clear? Can I have some raised hands? Can I have some raised hand? Only 6, 10. And again, I'll start with names. Kevin, Nikita, Manaswit, Rahul, Sai, Sanjay, Siddharth, Vinay, Tarun, Yashwant, Jayashankar, Niharika, Chaturya. Everyone is there, right? Great. RAO. So let us revise what we have done, what we have understood. R vector AO is the position vector of A with respect to O. Now, if I write RAB, look at how I'm writing it, and everything is coming in the symbols only. What will R vector AB mean? What will R vector AB mean? What will R vector AB? Yes, Santosh. It will simply mean position vector of A with respect to B. Am I clear? Am I clear? Position vector of A with respect to B. Am I clear? Spot on, clear. Great. 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 Only have 3 raised hands. Again, I have to call names. Shall I start? No. 15, 17, 18. Okay, 2025. Great. Now, let us see how I get the position vector. Now, it was very simple to get the position vector of A with respect to O. Right? If you go back here, the vector, the coordinates was 3, 4, and the position vector was 3i, 3i plus 4j. We understand this? We understand this? Now, if I have a point A whose coordinates are, again, there is something wrong with Zoom today. Getting hang. Okay, I'll just undo. If I have point A whose coordinates are 8 minus 6, 6 minus 8, what is the position vector of A with respect to O? What will be the answer? I don't have to draw it. Don't have to draw it. Just tell me the answer. What will be the position vector of A with respect to origin? The coordinates are 6 minus 8. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Coordinates are 6, minus 8. What will be the position vector of A with respect to O? O is the origin. No one with an answer. Anjali says underscore 8 to 6. I don't know. What does that mean? Position vector of A with respect to O. Look at the example here. The coordinates was 3, 4. The position vector was 3i plus 4j. Apply some common sense. Karthik has applied the common sense, and the position vector of A with respect to O becomes 6i. It's very simple. 6i minus 8j. Am I absolutely clear to everyone? Am I absolutely clear to everyone? Okay. Now, if I had point A as 6 minus 8 and 5, I'm just trying to make things more difficult, but it is not more difficult if you understand it. It is very simple. Now, can you tell me what will be the position vector of A with respect to origin? A with respect to origin. A with respect to origin. I have 6 minus 8 and 5. So I have X, Y, and Z, all the three components. Please don't get confused. Just apply your common sense. I have all the three components here. Don't get confused. This is very simple. Yes, Santosh, this is very simple. You have got the correct answer. I'm waiting for the other people to get me answer. Kushita also is there. Hanak is also there. Vijay is also there. Only 4 people are there in this universe. The rest of them are wandering somewhere here and there with no answers. Let me call their names. Karthik, Manaswit, Swati, Charita, where are your answers? Hanak has given me answer. Rahul, Raju, Sanjay, Siddharth, Siri, who is Siri? Vijay, Tarun, where are your answers? The answer should be there. Okay, so how do I get it? So X component is 6, so it becomes 6i. Y component is minus 8, minus 8j. Remember, k is along z-axis, plus 5k. Am I clear? How did I get the position vector? Yes, Karthik, you are answering. There are I think 2 or 3 Kartiks here. So you might get confused. RAO, this is how I get the position vector of A with respect to O. Am I clear? Anyone understands this? Anyone understands this? Only 3 participants have raised hands. 15. Okay. 17. Okay, 2025. Great. Now, if I had some point B, again, some point B with the coordinates 3, 4, 5. What would be the position vector of B with respect to O? What will be the position vector of B with respect to O? Karthik says understood. Karthik, give me the answer to this one. I think Zoom is having problem. People are also getting disconnected. 3i plus 4j plus 5k. That is correct. I am also having problem with Zoom today. It's getting hanged. 3i plus 4j plus 5k. Everyone understands this? It's very simple. Now, what is the difficult part here? It's not even difficult. Just have to apply some common sense. Now I give you a question. Question. My A point is 6, 8, minus 5, -5 is not looking good. I'll just erase it. 6, 8 minus 5. My B point is 3, 4, 5. So I have 2 points now, A and B. Question is, find the vector AB. Now instead of calling it the vector AB, I can call it as position vector of what? Instead of calling it as vector AB, I can call it as what? Position vector of? Position vector of B with respect to A. Very nice. So everyone is following me. Great, 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 great. And now I'm waiting for your answers. What would be the position vector of B with respect to A? Chaturya and Vijay has come up with some answers, but better they are not correct. They are not correct. 9i plus 2j is also not correct. Not correct. 9i plus 12j is also not correct. Okay, let me just tell you how to get it. So how to get it? Hint. Hint. Position vector of B with respect to A will be nothing but position vector of the first point B with respect to origin minus position vector of point A with respect to origin. So basically what you got to do is from 3 you have to subtract 6.